Hi guys! Sige po tayo sa turbo. Naglilis po tayo ng air filter ngayon. So ang turbo natin is nag-play po siya. Done? It's done? Isa ko na nabibig. Isa pa. Hindi ko na buksan yung isa pa eh. Isa pang bukas. Oh, ito muna to. This is Joshua now. Hi. We will remove the one filter, turbo filter. He's the best good one mechanic. Yes. See, there have earrings now. Very good this guy now. He's a bad boy today because you know. He's joking. See, baka mahulog yung kanya. So we need to check the turbo again. Oh my god. So too much oil, see inside. Oh my god. It's too much oil. So this is the turbo pan. You need to check this one always if this one is moving. Oh my god, it's dirty. Yeah, right.